Which vacuum sealer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. First up is the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. Priced around $79.99, this little device caught my eye with its sleek design and portability. If you want to save money on groceries and keep your food fresh, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Chef Preserve seals your food in under 5 seconds, which is perfect if you're tired of wasting food. Imagine being able to vacuum seal meats, veggies, or even leftovers in a flash. It comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags, so you can start right away. Plus, it's rechargeable and portable. One charge can seal up to 1,000 bags. This means you can take it camping or on road trips without hassle. Now, some people complained about it not being as powerful as traditional sealers. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly sealing everyday foods and not massive quantities, this little guy is more than enough. It's compact and easy to use, ideal for smaller kitchens. This is perfect for you if you want a space-saving, portable solution. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty sealing, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Product number 2, Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Next is the Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine, priced at $137. It has a solid 4.5-star rating and comes with some nice features that caught my attention. If you're looking to preserve food for up to 3 years, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out is its automatic bag detection. Just pop the bag in and it does the rest. This means you won't have to worry about sealing errors. It guarantees an airtight seal every time. The included roll cutter is a bonus, letting you create custom-sized bags to minimize waste. Plus, it's compatible with various food saver accessories, which expands its versatility in the kitchen. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, the extra size comes with added stability and power. If you have the counter space, the robust functionality makes it a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you meal prep or buy in bulk. Skip this if you have a tiny kitchen and need something more compact, but for the features it offers, it's worth the price. Product number 3, Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle. Now let's talk about the Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle, which is around $129.99. This caught my eye because it comes with 30 vacuum bags and 3 glass containers. If you want to take your food preservation to the next level, this is worth a serious look. So if you're into marinades or soups, you're in luck. Plus, it retains flavor and nutrition beautifully. The setup is just as easy as the previous model. Press a button and you're good to go in 5 seconds. However, some users have said the glass containers can be a bit heavy. Here's my take: if you're serious about cooking and want the freshest ingredients, the trade-off is worth it. You get better sealing options and they're reusable. This is perfect for you if you love to experiment in the kitchen. Skip this if you're looking for a strictly bag sealing option, but the added versatility is a game changer. Product number 4, Gas by Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine. Next up is the Gas by Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine, priced at $129.99. This one impressed me with its 4.8-star rating and features like double heat sealing. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, pay attention to this one. What's great about this model is its 95 kPa suction power, which means it vacuums tightly and keeps food fresh longer. The pulse mode is perfect for delicate items, no more crushed bread. It also has built-in storage for bags, which keeps everything tidy, plus a removable drip tray for easy cleanup. Some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to use at first. Honestly, I get that the features can be overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, the efficiency is totally worth it. It's a well-built machine that takes care of your sealing needs. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich sealer at a decent price. Skip this if you prefer something straightforward, but it definitely offers a lot for the cost. Product number 5, Food Saver V40 400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. Finally, we have the Food Saver V40 400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer, retailing for $234.99. With a solid reputation and numerous positive reviews, this could be your go-to if you want the best in food preservation. This model features automatic bag detection and moisture sensing, which are huge benefits. The built-in roll storage is a nice touch for added convenience. Now, some might find it a bit pricier than others, but honestly, the quality and features justify the cost if you're serious about food storage. The 5-year warranty speaks volumes about its durability. This is perfect for you if you're serious about meal prepping and long-term food storage. Skip this if you need a budget option, but for those who want reliability, it's a solid investment. So there you have it, 5 excellent vacuum sealers, each with their strengths. If you want portability, go for the Chef Preserve Compact. For longevity and ease, check out the Food Saver. The Ultimate Starter Bundle offers great versatility, while the Gas Buy gives you a feature-rich experience. And if you're looking for the best of the best, the Food Saver V40-400 is a fantastic choice. No matter your needs, there's something here for everyone.